Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're returning, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauren and I make beauty, lifestyle, fashion, pretty much every kind of video on my channel. I actually just started making videos about a month ago, so I'm still pretty new to the game. Hit the subscribe button down below. It is completely free. It's just such a huge support for me, so please subscribe and keep watching the video. Today we are making margaritas. So my favorite thing to do in the summer is to make homemade cocktails, and this summer my favorite one has been a skinny margarita. I am a sucker for margarita on the rocks, and I was searching high and low for a good summer skinny margarita, and here we go, friends. I found it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what you need really quick before we get started, and then I will show you how I make it. You're gonna need some oranges, whole oranges, not the cuties, actual big oranges. You're gonna need a juice presser. For the sweetener, I'm going to use organic light agave nectar. This I got from Walmart, 100% blue agave. This was the light one. There is a darker one, so make sure you get the light. We're gonna be using lime juice. You can use regular limes. I just use the juice. You're gonna need your tequila because that's the most important ingredient. You're gonna be needing a shot glass. This is just one of those, it has a specific name, can't think of it. It's just, I call it a shot glass with a handle, but it has a full shot, half a shot, and you just whoosh, whoosh. And then something to make your margarita in. I'm also gonna be filling this with half with ice, and I'm just gonna be using a mini mason jar. All right, so I'm gonna get my things prepped and we will be right back. So for the first step, what I'm gonna do is take my oranges that I have here. We're using whole oranges, not the cuties. Each drink takes about one whole orange, but it just depends on how citrusy you want it. So I'm going to cut them in half and then juice both of them in our mason jars. In our cute mason jar, I'm gonna take lime juice. You can totally use actual limes, but I'm gonna just be using the actual juice that's already pre-done. And I'm taking one of these things. I'm going to be doing about 2 ounces of lime juice. It's totally preference on how limey that you want it. So I just start off with 2 ounces and then go from there. So now for the best part of the margarita, the tequila. I'm going to be using Cabo Wabo Reposado. I like to do about 1.5 to 2 shots per drink. Normally people just do 1 shot, but I like to spice it up a little bit. So we're gonna add the tequila. light agave syrup. This is by the brand Mad Hava. I got it from Walmart. There are dark agaves and light agaves. I get the light one. And this is totally off preference on how sweet you want it. The more you add, the sweeter that it's gonna be to offset the tequila limeness. I add a pretty good amount. I kind of just eyeball it and then taste it and add more based on how I like it. So here we go. Last but not least, we're going to stir it up. Normally, if I had a cute little stir, I would use that, but I don't, so I'm going to be using the knife that I cut my orange with and stir it up. You could have totally put salt around the rim at the beginning. I don't like salt with my margaritas, so I don't rim the lid with it. So now I'm just going to add a straw and we're good to go.